Oh my goodness. I just went to go put the pie in the fridge, and I guess leaving the freezer slash refrigerator on for 2.5 days, I just opened it and found out a big surprise. So I'm gonna open it again and show y'all. So, oh my goodness. Okay, let me set this. Let me see. All right, opening the fridge, and look at this. Oh my goodness. Yikes, yikes, yikes. So I'm like, what is that? I mean, it's all in there. And then I look down, and it's the soda can. It froze and exploded. Oh my goodness. Not a happy camper. So, oh my goodness. Add that on my list of things to do today. Anyway, happy Halloween.